Hello students, here we are going to learn about network modeling tools. So this theory basically some of tools are there, they perform the different tasks for the optical network. So let us discuss with this topic. So network modeling tool, normally NetMod is used very well, so which uses a simple analytical models to provide the designer of large interconnected LAN with an in-depth understanding of the potential performance of the system. So they all over finding that the particular system or particular network is work properly, or how they throughput is possible, so how they are actually work with the different node or different network in this particular networking. So using them, this tool is very essential part for this network. So this tool will be useful in either university or industrial or the government campus or any other kind of companies or any other kind of environment with the thousand or more number of computer science are available, or they are communicating with each other, or last they are in the internet domain or the internet networking. So NetMod is implement easy to use and a Macintosh software package such as Excel provided by the HyperCard, a PC version tool, will also made such available for the different networking scenario to perform the different tasks based on the network connected with them. So the objective of the tool and the analytical model and its UI user interface are described in detail for along with its application in actual campus wide area network. So according to how many node are connected, how many actually the intermediate node such as IP router, the particular switches are connected between them, they how behave in this network, they are perform very well about that provided data route, provided data path between them. So according to the old scenario, this tool are perform very easy task for our any kind of network failure is there or any kind of redundant path is to provide. So at that time it is a very good approach to find out the all the analytical things, or you can just find out the all the details in the one domain for the analysis purpose for the better performance in the upcoming futures. So network modeling tool let designer or operator test changes to network topology before they are implemented in the production network. So also there sometimes we have to provide some implement the realistic network. So before them we have to provide in the some software domain to check the all this kind of thing is possibly work properly or not properly. For that the designer and the different operators also define some virtual topology, that particular modeling tools, and implement in the working scenario and the efficiency and the throughput also. So when updating and creating a new computer system, the analyst will create a set of method for both existing systems if there is one already there, or the proposed system they already thinking about the implement in the future. So for that this tool is also benefit for them, or they also provide a interconnected between the existing system and the upcoming system or the proposed system, and the both system how they are correlated with them. So actually using this mechanism you have to find the exactly correlation is possible, exactly data rate transmit between the existing and the new system is possible, how many kind of things or component is requirement. So you can just find out using the different tools available in this network. So network model can either demonstrate the current state of the network or can model desired computer network also. The series of connectivity maps are network modeling tools that despite the various location involved over wide and local areas. So bit useful between the LAN and the WAN also in the particular network, and their interconnection between those locations. So they are provide features like that between LAN to WAN, and all this kind of various network considered in the particular network. So I'm just giving some of examples over here. So I'm just giving this are the network alpha, the NetMod. So they offer advanced modeling functions, some graphic interfaces device. The layer module set they provide for the teaching and learning of the models. So they are used for the different connection purpose and how useful the both end user can transmit the data and receive data in the different protocols. Web one the use for the traffic monitoring, how much traffic is transmitted by the particular node and received by the particular node, the timing requirement, the efficiency of that particular network. NS2 network simulator tools offer advanced network modeling and the simulation as a non-friendly text-based interface. So this provide realistic. Suppose you have considered a 10 node in your network, so you have to create a virtually 10 node and provide the energy for that, and how much time that particular node alive in the network. So using that kind of simulator, so various kind of simulator is provided with different features over here, like as a VLAN designer, LAN designer provide a concept of the network design for that particular network. So Glomosims, Vitan, Vans also provide some simulator for ad hoc networks. OpNet, they provide optical net. They provide offer advanced modeling and the simulation maintenance cost, but its maintenance cost is high compared to the realistic manner. So these all are the tools. I'm just giving some of example over here. So many tools are available in the market today for the enhancing and performance monitoring for the current network and as well as the proposed network, and how they two are interconnected with them also.